up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, night, whenever you guys are watching this video. If you guys are new, please make sure you consider subscribing, just join the fam. We have a lot of videos coming our way. My channel is all about fashion, sneaker unboxings, and pretty much anything that has to do about balling on a budget. This is the channel for you. Remember guys, if you guys have any questions about any videos on my channel, you need to DM me on my Instagram and just be patient for me to get back to you. And without any more talking about that, we're gonna get right into today's video. So once again, somehow the SNKRS app went ahead and blessed me with a W on a sneaker that I entered the raffle for, but I didn't want to win. So you may wonder why the hell did I enter it then? But I kind of liked the shoes and I kind of didn't. So it was kind of one of those raffles, when you enter and you're like, well, if I don't win, it's all right, So I did hit on these sneakers. I have not worn them and I'm unsure if I ever will. So for the meantime, they're gonna stay in the collection until I figure out what I'm gonna do with them. As you guys already saw by the title and the thumbnail, we are going to be reviewing the Nike Dunk High Cashmere. Is it Cashmere? Cashmere? Cashmere. Correct me down in the comments how to properly pronounce this, but anyways, I've had these for almost 2 weeks now and I kind of had the chance to record the video. Now, before I show you the shoes, let me just quickly show you right here. These are a size 6 in men's, which is 7.5 women. The retail was $110, I believe. Yes, it was $110 with shipping and everything. I mean, they were pretty cheap, so. And they're not that ugly. I just think the colorways are, Anyway, so here we have the sneakers. Hopefully they're not so overexposed in the camera. Let me go ahead and take both of them out of the box. And again, this right here was part of my birthday haul. I spent basically about $1,300 last week on buying a bunch of shoes, clothes, and just camera equipment for my channel. And it was all excused by saying, oh, it's for my birthday. So yeah, now these pairs right here are basically, one of those purchases, which expect a video of everything I picked up for the month of October, because these do fall within that category because they were all purchased last month. But anyways, let me go ahead and give you a close-up, and I'm gonna go ahead to also bring down the exposure so you guys can properly see the sneakers. Let me know down below what you guys think of this shoe right here. Again, in my opinion, it's a little bit difficult for me to wear it due to the colors, but I think I can put a fire outfit if I just wear some simple jeans, simple shirt, and let the sneakers be the, loud part of the outfit. Alrighty, so as you guys can see here, just a little bit better the colorways. This is entirely made out of like pastel colorways, and it is pretty much evident that Nike is banking big on the dunks at this point. You let me know down in the comments if you prefer the highs or the lows. I am a huge fan of the lows, to be honest with you guys, but nonetheless I'm still going to be adding highs to the collection. So again, I'm going to try to figure out how to style these, and if and when I do that, most likely I'm gonna be posting a video because not a lot of people are good at styling these, and I'm not saying I am, but I'm up for the challenge. So that's gonna be pretty much it for today's video, guys. I know it's a short one, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I am super excited to just have my new sneaker room ready because I want to add these on the shelf and pretty much keep them there, and I will wear them until I have a super fire outfit to take photos on, which by the way, you guys should go ahead and follow me on my Instagram because I will 100% have fire and crazy outfit photos coming soon. Now I have a dope ass camera for you guys to produce some good content on YouTube and Instagram as well. So without any more talking, I will cut it right here and I'll catch you guys in the next video.